Nanubabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga. What I love about what we do dito sa We're in Pampanga is helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. At the same time, I get to know different kinds of products. No? So, Sushi KENI has a Keto sushi pan. So guys, as always, sushi pan comes with nori wrapper. Although you can eat it as is. Pero if you opt to, this is also available. Ang first variant natin guys is a tuna sushi pan. And then yung rice niya, which is the carbohydrate, is substituted by a cauliflower vegetable. So again, this is for those carbohydrate conscious. And sabi nga nila, this is the keto sushi pan. May mga tao rin naman sabi, Louie, I'll still go for the rice. It doesn't matter if enough carbohydrates or so, parang mga ganyan. So available din naman po yung rice. Titakman natin guys is yung sushi with cauliflower, which is a tuna flavor sushi pan. There you go. Ciao! Wow! So, my recommendation guys, yung cauliflower nila actually has a standalone flavor. So, if you just eat it alone, meron siyang flavor, distinctive flavor na talagang you can just eat it as is. I don't know. Wow! And then, right, next to taste is yung kanilang, yung kanilang crab salad. Of course, this is with rice, also available from them. Ayan guys, Oh man. Ooh. As I always say guys, yung mga ganitong pagkain, it always gives me a different excitement because number one, for their presentation, so colorful. And then number two is, whenever it's Japanese food, it always has a special part sa appetite ko. So, I really enjoy it. But guys, if you are craving for these kind of dishes, make sure to check out Sushi KENI. We'll be flashing the Facebook fan page on your screen. Actually, taga Santa Cruz, Lubao po sila. So, for meet-up, I think it's gonna be more accessible for you. And for deliveries, probably for like San Fernando area or Angeles area, make sure to call them guys so that you can transact your order for deliveries. I'm gonna continue enjoying this, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next video. Stay safe, stay at home, and God bless us all. Bye. Oh man, one more.